Hi, I'm Mr. D and welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking in my ThermalCooker a dish that comes from the exotic land of Morocco, and it should suit vegetarian and meat eaters alike. The first thing you need to do is place your inner pot over a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. Now add the large chopped red onion and fry until lightly brown. Once it's lightly brown, add the chopped carrots, the swede, the red pepper, the cloves of chopped garlic, which I've chopped reasonably finely, the frozen broad beans, you could use fresh if you want, a tin of chopped tomatoes, 3 teaspoons of harissa paste, which you'll get from most supermarkets, one teaspoon of ground turmeric, now add your chopped ginger, before pouring in 300 millilitres of vegetable stock. Now give everything a good stir and bring it all to the boil. Once boiling, add your okra, and then you'll need to bring back to the boil before turning down to a simmer and adding your top pot. If you're not using a top pot, this is the time you should put your inner pot in your insulated outer container and leave to cook. If you are using a top pot though, add the couscous, pour in boiling water and give everything a good stir with a fork. Now all that's left to do is to place your inner pot into the insulated outer container and shut the lid. Now leave to cook for 2 to 3 hours, but longer if you want. If you enjoyed this program, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell if you want to be notified when new recipes are put up. And if you look in the description below, you'll find a link that will take you to where you can get a copy of the recipe.